Good day, guys! For today's video, I will be a machinist. This machine that I operated is what we called Lathe machine. By the way, guys, this is what we called wheel of motorcycle. By the way, guys, shout out nga pala sa mga classmate ko na mechanical engineering student sa UM or University of Mindanao. Padayon lang mga ga.
Before I start, I would like to address that this video is for future reference only. Just keep on watching, kabakals. The first step is the alignment. This is a very important part of machining job. You need to align any material you want to machine before shaping the part you want to shape.
After aligning the material, my next step is to measure the diameter of the bearing using micrometer in order to get the exact fittings for the housing of the bearing. Warning lang, guys, this practice you have seen is not the proper method. You need to wear personal protective equipment, but as a skilled worker, I have been doing this since I was 15 years old. I already knew what the right thing to do was in order to avoid risk in my workplace. Now that this is the finished product, we can now put the bearing in its housing. However, we give a 3 months warranty for this kind of service. After using the lathe machine, you need to clean it properly. It is recommended to follow the manufacturer's guidelines and safety instructions. The cleaning process usually involves removing the chips and debris from the machine bed, chuck tool, and tool holders and other components. Thanks for watching, guys! Adios, amigos!